Hey guys, this is Vulcan Raven 188 from the chat, making my first video. I joined the group back in, I think, about beginning of December. Started live trading, I don't know, maybe March or April, somewhere around there. I don't remember. And I thought I'd make my first video today. So I started off my day really poorly. This was purely emotional. Uh, yeah, I mean, this is a trade I never would regularly take. You had what seemed to be, it could break out, but I don't like taking these. I broke my rules on this trade for a couple of reasons. I saw a lot of people had already made money today, so I kind of was in a hurry. And I think Andrew had gotten in earlier around here, and I just blindly decided to follow it, even though that was a bad idea. I think he got in here for going to high a day, and he got out here, and then I hadn't made anything yet, so I quickly got in on it, and it was basically double topping or whatever, doing this, and then it just went down. If I followed my rules, I never would have took this. It's purely emotional, so which stinks because it becomes a drawdown right in the beginning. I've been getting a lot better at this, but I guess it's a reminder. I haven't done this for weeks now, but you know, it happened. And I was also frustrated because I actually wanted to take, I think it was semantic. Yeah, I wanted to take a 2-minute orb on this downwards, and I missed it because I'm on one monitor, so I just flat out didn't see it until like it was like here or something, and I was like, oh man, I missed it. So I think that also added to my frustrations, and I took this trade that broke my rules, and this is what happens when you break your rules. But anyways, after that MU, I actually saw this one a little bit late too because I only have one monitor. But this was my first trade, second trade, and it made up a bit for it. I saw it engulfed through VWAP with rising volume, and there was definitely rising volume here as it went to VWAP, and then like the volume was staying a little bit higher or whatever. So the break of this, I believe, is roughly where I got in, and I went in partial because, I mean, I think Rob first told William, and then William always teaches us in the reviews about waves. So I was like, all right, you know, I got in partial because it was making another lower low. It got up a little higher, and I got in a bit more, just seeing this as a little pullback that was going to go down, and it hit my first target level, partialed a little here, and then I went all the way down to this level, 27, partialed out. Finally fully got out, and yeah, I guess I could have held more because it just kept going, but I got all out here, and I'm trading on a small account size, so while it fully got made up for this loss with what do you call it, fees, I basically break even on the trade. So I at least am at no loss now for the day. And then my final trade that I took was, I took a reversal on MU, and basically what I saw was, so it had broken out of this, right? It had just been downtrending, and at least broke out of the trend line. And when you look at it on the 15, there was like this wick going on, kind of a big-bodied hammer or whatever, I guess. And you had this nice one here on the 5. And then after that, after the hammer, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know, doji, it went up, made higher highs, higher lows on the 5, and then it went up here and consolidated. And on this candle, we now had like a bull flag going on. And when you look at it, this candle here, for a while was sitting and was just like continuationing a bull flag. And when you look here, you know, whatever, you got this. And now the break of this would have had, you know, wicks on the bottom, higher highs, higher lows, and now this break would have made a new 5-minute high, and it would have coincided with the 15-minute high, and it would have broken the 50, and we'd have, the moving averages crossing in soon. So I went long. I took a partial here. Part of this was nerves. I still get a little bit nervous with real money, but it was about 1R. And then it came up here, and I had this level. It was maybe 1 or 2 days ago, previous high or low. I don't know which one it was. And then when it came up again, I just started feeling like, okay, it's really not going to break it. And I just got out completely. And, I made a little bit on it. So that was my day. I made some profits. If I didn't make this emotional trade, I would have easily done, made my daily target. But, either way, I'm in the positive. I feel good. But no, this is like lesson to me that I already know, but apparently I'm still making it sometimes. So hopefully other people resonate with this too. And maybe my mistake that I'm getting better at, but look at that, I'm still making it. Hopefully it helps other people a bit. If anyone has any comments on anything that they think I did wrong, feel free to point it out so I can get better. If anyone has questions, I don't think they will, but if they do, I'll do my best to answer what I know. Alright, well, have a good weekend, guys.